Hello friends, today I am going to unbox Dell Vostro 5510 Premier Business Laptop. It is 15.6 Full HD 300 nits display and it's having Intel Core i7 11th generation, 8GB RAM and 500 M2 PCIe NVMe solid state drive. And also it's with NVIDIA GeForce MX 452GB DDR5 graphic. And the Wi-Fi Intel Wi-Fi 6 2x2 gig plus with Bluetooth. And Thunderbolt 4-cell battery available integrated. Backlit keyboard and grey color. It's available with Windows Home and Windows 10 Pro. And it's very lightweight, starting from 3.67 lbs. Camera, it's giving 320 pixels. In these laptops, visuals are very sharper and more enhanced. So everything from PowerPoint presentations to video editing is striking. It can be recommended for office users, high study students, medium-sized gamers, graphic designers, AutoCAD designers, and video editors. I believe this video gives you some brief idea about this laptop. Hope you're satisfied with my review. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoy with my video. Please subscribe, share and like. Thank you very much.